The first cattle, the first horses, the first hogs, sheep, goats came to Florida in 1521 on the second voyage of Ponce de Leon.
This is a historical ride. This ride is a reenactment of the cattle drive done back in the 1800s.
You're gonna wonder what's the matter with this saddle, because your butt's gonna get to hurting if you ain't used to riding. Bring you a box of baby powder.
We might have a little bit of rain and it might be kind of cool, but we sure do have cypress heads and lakes and swamps and palmettos and all that go along with the Florida terrain.
The character or the spirit of the land that you're going across just seeps in, and the people you're surrounded by. It seeps in and it settles your soul a little bit.
We share this passion for horses, we share this passion for cowboy lifestyle. We share an ideology that makes us basically good people.
When I'm working cattle and parting cattle, I don't worry about bills to pay. I don't worry about my kids or my wife. I'm concentrated on the cattle and my horse, and it's a feeling you're satisfied at the end of the day. And that's all I got to say about it.